कंफर्म किया, कंफर्म करने के बाद हम तैयार हो गए. एज व्हेन वी हैव कॉल्ड एट अराउंड 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, sharp 5, we called him ki where are you not coming? He's not responding to any
और
call,
बंदा
not on WhatsApp,
पिकअप ही
nothing.
नहीं कर रहा है.
This is special darshan and this is the prasad we got.
Scuba, scuba.
Welcome back to my vlog. I know I've been like really inactive on vlogs. That is because मेरे exams चल रहे थे and a lot of stuff going on, which you all will find out super soon. But right now we are in
Hyderabad.
Yeah, so we are in Hyderabad for something super exciting, which you all will find out later in this vlog. Right now, we are all ready. We are going to Swarnagiri temple. It is really, really beautiful. I mean, we've seen it through photos and videos on Instagram.
It'll be prettier in real life.
Yeah. It's really beautiful. Abhi baj rahe 5. We are very late. Actually, 5 bhi nahi. It's 5:30.
6 o'clock.
Yeah, we'll reach in like 2 hours. हम बहुत late है. इसके पहले हमने एक Uber book किया था. That Uber has scanned on us without telling us. So Uber, if you're watching this, then you know what to do. मैं तो story ऐसे भी डालने वाली हूँ. Follow me on Instagram for some gossip. बहुत मतलब Uber has given us too much thrust today. Anyway, right now.
कांड हो गया.
Exactly, we just landed and can't हो गया. But right now, we took from our hotel wala bhaiya only some local guy का number and he's coming in 30 minutes. We are staying at High Tech City, तो इधर jam भी काफ़ी है. It's evening time.
Just realized we're wearing Elphaba and Glinda outfits. I'm Glinda, you're Elphaba.
I'm wearing green.
For obvious reasons, she's Elphaba, I'm Glinda.
What reasons? Anyway, so yeah, so we're waiting for our cab wala bhaiya. We're all ready. Mama is wearing blue and Mama and Philly look like they're going to a gender reveal party.
It's gonna be a
Say hi to Mama.
Mother India.
Hello, so it's a girls trip. It's me, Mama and Philly.
It's always been a girls' trip and we really enjoy. What are you doing? Scuba? Let me try.
Scuba. Okay, come on. Let's see. Scuba. Scuba. Doing this.
मतलब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता ये स्कूबा वगैरह है.
It's a trend.
6, 7.
It's kind of outdated.
She has taught me all the trends.
So tough. So tough.
So tough. I don't understand. बिल्कुल सिर पाँव नहीं है क्या. एक के बाद एक.
सिर
ये करो,
पाँव?
वो करो. I don't know
What is सिर
And see,
पाँव?
What is this? Scuba.
What did you
मुझसे नहीं होता है बिल्कुल भी.
Okay, anyway, back
Hum
to our
nom
topic.
nom.
I don't know how we switched from Hyderabad to scuba, but yeah, so we are in Hyderabad for something really exciting, which you all will find out later in this vlog. For now, Mama is really excited about this temple. Mama has done all research, but ये temple 8:45 को close हो जाएगी and we'll reach एकदम cut to cut. We'll reach at like
7:30.
yeah, we'll reach
Actually,
And इसका तो photo shoot रहता है. You have to click like a billion photos.
ready in beautiful
Yeah,
outfits.
yeah,
I've
yeah.
cost one photos.
Actually, you know what? We would have been on time, but this Uber really, you know, we've cancelled literally what, twice we've cancelled?
Yeah, Uber has given us so much.
I
BT
swear.
Today. इतना trash है ना Uber की services.
इस रेट में मैं नहीं जा सकता हूँ. It's quite far off from where Hyderabad is. 2 hours, I guess, something like that. And then there's a lot of, we are staying in High Tech City, so here it seems there's a lot of jam on the way. But then ठीक है ना, वो तो तुम्हें समझना चाहिए था. तुमने accept क्यों किया?
हाँ. And now he's not cancelling
And he
also.
also called us and was like, yes, ma'am, I'm very trustworthy. I'll come. Don't worry, no worries. And he literally didn't come. Was wasting our time.
अब बंदे ने कंफर्म किया, कंफर्म करने के बाद हम तैयार हो गए. एज व्हेन वी हैव कॉल्ड एट अराउंड 5
5
o'clock.
o'clock, sharp 5, we called him ki where are you not coming? He's not responding to any call,
बंदा
not on WhatsApp,
पिकअप ही
nothing.
नहीं कर रहा है. पर्सनली मैसेज उसके बाद डाल रहा है कि देखो आप अपना व्हाट्सएप चेक करो कि द रेट्स आर वेरी लेस, सो आप अगर डबल दे सकते हो तो मैं लेके जाऊंगा आपको. मतलब इट इज सिंपली नॉनसेंस.
Triple, yeah.
I would never recommend this. Uber is too much.
So much time and अभी almost 5:30 हो रहे हैं and the guy that we've booked from is going to take more 30 minutes to come. उसके बाद we'll go. बहुत time waste हो गया. नहीं तो अभी तक by 6:30 would have been in the temple. And the temple closes also at 8:45. So we are hoping कि हमें entry मिल जाए. We're also very excited to eat Hyderabadi biryani. I've actually come to Hyderabad once, but I came like 10 years ago from my school. Mama and Philly came recently.
I think like,
They had eaten at Paradise Biryani and Philly was not a huge fan of the biryani.
biryani at the airport was really good. It's such a good biryani. I prefer that over Paradise.
एयरपोर्ट की बिरयानी तो अच्छी होगी ऑफ कोर्स, बट देन
का प्राइस वाज आल्सो लाइक ट्रिपल.
हाँ प्राइस और एयरपोर्ट के हिसाब से ले रहे हैं ना, बट देन हियर इट इज यू हैव टू गो टू द लोकल शॉप्स. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे हैं ना, जैसे पैराडाइज इज गुड.
And then there's one more Bawarchi.
Bawarchi.
Pizza House. Everyone's all ready. Philly is wearing pink. Mama is wearing blue. And teaching Mama how to do scuba.
What is this? Why is it so elegant?
Why does it look like you're frying something?
मुझे माफ कर दो, समझ गई हूँ मैं. ये जनरेशन ये जनरेशन में बहुत फर्क है, हो ही नहीं सकता ये.
Now we've sat in the cab, and if there's any viewpoint, I will show you all that, or I will see you all directly. I will see you all directly at the temple.
Okay, we'll go directly at the temple and shoot some videos for you all and show you some scenery.
Yeah, see you guys.
Hope we can make it. That's what, because like this Uber तो इतना it has given us BT, but then ठीक है, अब तो हुआ है, and of course we'll make
On a
it.
positive note.
Correct.
We're seeing the positive side of it.
So we'll make it. Yes. जाना है मतलब है. We have to go and we'll visit. दर्शन तो होना ही है. We've taken this vow ना, वहाँ से जब हम चल रहे थे कि these are the two places that we have to cover. Jam तो बहुत है हैदराबाद में, like
Too much population, too much traffic.
but somehow I like this area. It's a high tech city ना, मतलब अच्छी area अच्छी है. All companies and all software companies, IT companies are all here.
Cafes with yummy food.
Cafe तो all over in Banjara Hills and that side.
We are staying in Banjara Hills only. Near
Wonderful.
Banjara Hills. We are
Wonderful.
actually staying in high-tech city, but Banjara Hills is nearby. Yeah.
हाईटेक सिटी somehow I really like. हाँ, काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ पे बहुत सारे companies I saw. This is known for different companies. My
IT sector.
brother and sister-in-law, they're staying here and at this area, but it's good. Lot of traffic. These are those companies that's it.
I think they're all leaving from work.
Yeah, this is work
Creamstone.
wala. Where? Oh, there. You only want to eat. What is this Kanchi cafe? It looks pretty. We'll come here if we have time. काफी भीड़ भी है इसमें.
किधर?
बावर्ची आपको बता देंगे, वहाँ का आते समय वहाँ से खा के आ जाएंगे, है ना.
हाँ.
मतलब अभी हम चाहते हैं पहले दर्शन कर लेंगे,
हाँ.
उसके बाद आते वक्त वहाँ से डिनर करके आ जाएंगे. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Mama doesn't even eat non-veg. She's done this for the two of us.
Hashtag preparing
I've
for
left non-veg. I don't.
Yeah, only me and my sister eat. She
Now
is
I'm a pure vegetarian. What do you call?
vegetarian only, vegan.
Vegan.
No,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
like you still eat like animal products like milk and all.
And not vegan exactly, but yeah, I've turned to vegetarian. And these two are non-veg, hardcore non-vegetarian.
We are Bengalis. Of course we eat non-veg.
Chicken, mutton.
Even you are a Bengali, but you just don't eat.
I don't.
A different type of Bengali.
Like-
50 floors.
I've taken over the vlog, so nothing will be officially very amazing. But abhi aakar, I don't want to have biryani or I want to have momo and aloo bhat with kala masala thali. Oh my god. I love Maharashtrian food. It's so freaking good. मुझे बिरयानी नहीं खाना है.
I had momo 2 days back. Itna who eats momos?
It's fine. It's been 48 hours without momo. Are you stupid?
There's Deloitte over here.
Deloitte is where my mommy
Also-
works.
Yes.
See.
I'm looking at the beautiful sunset, and both my darling daughters are sleeping. Just look at them. आए नहीं कि कार में बस सो गए. Anyways, it was tiring today, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा रेस्ट और फिर वापस एनर्जी रिचार्ज.
Everyone is up, me and mama are talking, and this girl has already passed out. We also woke up at 4 AM, so we haven't slept well. तब से हम एकदम भी नहीं सोए हैं. मेरे बाल खराब हो गए हैं have to fix my hair. Fix my hair. See this girl. She was the most excited and she's the one that has slept first.
Actually, she's very tired. Sitting in 1 hour in flight also she gets tired.
We'll reach in 1 minute. Language is a problem. The cab wale bhaiyas also don't understand what we're speaking. हमें Google Translate use करना पड़ रहा है because a lot of people here mostly speak Telugu. They do not understand Hindi or English, तो language थोड़ा सा problem है. Sunset भी हो गया है. It's night 8 o'clock. Very similar to Tirupati Balaji, we have to walk the steps and go. So we are walking. थोड़े ही steps है. Today is like a Friday, so we weren't even expecting so much rush. You can see पूरा background में सब लोग भरे हैं. And I think there's no ticket right now, but I need to deposit my phone. And there's a huge queue. We are standing to deposit our phone. Phone is not allowed inside the temple. So I will meet you all after darshan. Mama is paying here. We are taking special darshan. Paying 300 rupees. Way too much rush, so we are taking special darshan ke tickets, and Mama is taking that right now. One darshan tickets for 300, so we are taking 3 so that thoda sa jaldi ho, and let's go. So we decided to take the special darshan ke tickets because my paas kam time hai and we want to do it a little fast.
This is special darshan and this is the prasad we got.
Wow.
The 3 prasad.
3 we got. Oh,
Yeah.
because we got 3 tickets.
And we took special darshan, VIP darshan.
Let's go.
They gave us the prasad. See, the entire temple they have given here. I'm so happy. We finally could make it till here. It's beautiful.
Oh wow. It's a Tirupati laddu.
It's Tirupati laddu.
Yeah.
The same thing there.
Got done with our darshan, and do you want to tell them how was it? It was divine. Yeah, it was divine.
Like the first row, and like they did puja with this. And
एकदम empty line मिला 2 मिनट में दर्शन हो गया, and we could stand there for almost 5-10 minutes. So I would also suggest if you're coming, then get the VIP tickets. It was divine. Let's ask Mama how was it.
Oh, it was a divine blessing, really.
इतने बड़े लड्डू थे, it was so yummy.
Laddus are too good. ये मुझे याद आ गया वो बालाजी हम गए थे।
Tirupati, yeah. So
Same
we
Tirupati
got
Balaji.
Tirupati Balaji as well. तो उधर भी we had gotten like big laddus. में 2 मिनट में दर्शन हो गई, तो even I would suggest if you're coming get the VIP tickets, जल्दी फटाफट दर्शन हो जाती है, and we could stand there for good 5-10 minutes. And yeah, we also got these 3 of these red dupattas.
देर हुई दुरुस्त हुई, लेकिन आए तो सही। और बंद होते होते भी लेकिन हमें दर्शन मिला और आराम से मिला, बड़े प्यार से मिला। प्रसाद मिली, लड्डू मिले। Is this you? Prasad?
Tamarind rice.
It's a tamarind rice. Where are you from?
We are from Hyderabad.
Acha, you're
Standing in the queue to get Mahaprasadam. Oh, they're mini samosas.
और thick shape चाहिए। See, mini samosas.
Oh wow, these are tiny mini samosas.
Waste. I'll throw plastic. We're gonna throw it in there.
Yay, good manners.
No, you have. It's very tasty.
జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
right now we are at the petrol pump and he's filling CNG. And tomorrow we have to wake up at 5 a.m. We are going somewhere very interesting. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be very, very fun. So stay tuned. Right now it's 12 o'clock. एंड हम 3 या 4 घंटे की नींद पे पहुँचे भी नहीं हैं. सो 3 या 4 घंटे की नींद पे ही सर्वाइव करेंगे. सो सी यू इन टुमारोज व्लॉग. So we are back to the room. We are back home. We are back to the room and it's almost 12:30 a.m. That's it for this vlog. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Bye.